Christian Donald Laettner, born August 17, 1969, is an American former professional basketball player. His college career for the Duke Blue Devils is widely regarded as one of the best in National Collegiate Athletic Association's history. He was the star player on back-to-back Duke National Championship teams of 1991 and 1992, and the NCAA Player of the Year in his senior year. He is famous for his game-winning shot against Kentucky in the 1992 tournament and being polarizing amongst basketball fans. Laettner was the only collegian selected for the 1992 United States men's Olympic basketball team, dubbed the Dream Team, that won the gold medal at the 1992 Summer Olympics. As a member of the Dream Team, Laettner is enshrined in the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame, U.S. Olympic Hall of Fame, and FIBA Hall of Fame, while he is enshrined for his individual career in the College Basketball Hall of Fame. He was drafted 3rd overall by the Minnesota Timberwolves in the 1992 NBA Draft, then played 13 seasons in the National Basketball Association NBA for 6 teams, being named as an All-Star in 1997. Christian Laettner was born and raised in Angola, New York, near Buffalo and Niagara Falls, to a blue-collar Roman Catholic family. His father, George, a newspaper press plant printer, was of Polish descent, and his grandparents spoke Polish as their first language, while his mother, Bonnie, was a teacher. Christian's older brother Christopher was a strong influence, often bullying young Christian, which helped instill a stern competitive drive. Both boys also frequently worked as farm laborers to supplement their allowance. Laettner attended the private Nichols School. Although he received a financial aid package that paid a substantial part of his tuition, his family had to sacrifice to send him there, and he also did janitorial work at the school to defray some of the cost. During his career, he scored over 2,000 points, breaking the school record set by teammate Ron Tergalski, and the team won to state titles and reached another semifinal. He was the second player from Western New York to reach 2,000 points, falling short of Curtis Aiken's total of 2,160 to set 5 years earlier. 6. He was a much sought-after college recruit. In 2009, as the Buffalo News celebrated 50 years of All-Western New York WNY basketball selections, Laettner, who was twice an All-WNY first-team selection, was named to the 1980s All-WNY first team along with Aiken, Gary Bossert, Keith Robinson, and Richie Campbell. He was a first-team selection for the all-time All-WNY team along with Aiken, Paul Harris, Bob Lanier, and Mel Montgomery. Personal life. Laettner lives in Ponte Vedra Beach, Florida, and is an avid muskellunge fisherman. He is divorced with 3 children. Laettner has donated large sums to his alma maters. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1000 vlogs.